Hey guys, what's up? I'm Jason Allen and welcome back to MyGlamm. Today I will be teaching y'all how to achieve a boy beat makeup tutorial. So for this look, you wanna look like you are perfect with your imperfections. Everything and anything looks perfect for me if it's glowing. For that, I have Spotlight. And I'm gonna take my fingers and just start dabbing it. Once you look like an official ball of champagne, which is the look that I go for all the time, it's time to cover teeny mini flaws and to also even out your skin tone. And the Total Makeover FF Cream Foundation palette is the best one to go for. So this is literally the amount of coverage you need. For now, I'm gonna just add a little bit of bronze. And for that, I'm taking my favorite CHISEL palette. And I am using the palette named Showstopper. I'm gonna go with this bronze baby, which has a little bit of pink in it too. And then I'm gonna just go on the sockets of my eye, very lightly, just defining my crease, but not doing anything else to it. Because we're not using concealer today, we still need something that's gonna reflect light away from our dark circles. So I have Powder Magic GOLDMINE, and I'm gonna just go on my inner corners, just a little bit, and just a little bit on my brow bone, tip of my nose, on my cupid's bow, and I'm gonna take my ring finger and just blend all of it. Moving on to my favorite part, my eyebrows. And this is the wheelie from MyGlamm, which is basically a liner for making the best cat eyes possible. But I basically use this wheelie for my eyebrows because I just feel like it gives me more precision, it gives me more control, and also it gives me those thin strokes of hair. Once you are done with your brows, I like to blush. And I use the same lip color with the one that I use on my lip. I use it for my blush as well because I want everything to look very uniform. And this is my favorite shade, which is Biscotti. So I just put Biscotti onto my highlighter, a little bit on my nose. I'm gonna just take my fingers because they're warm and nice. And then onto your nose. Give a flush of color onto my lips. Now I'm gonna use the Stay Defined liquid liner and I'm gonna basically enhance all of my blemishes. So I have a pimple right here, so I'm gonna basically go and give. So once I'm done really emphasizing the most enhanced beauty spots, I go on the other side, which is for the perfect brows. Near my nose, because I have freckles there, dab off the excess. Last, don't forget to set your face, and Go to Glam is the best powder to set your face with. And just on the areas where you wanna take the shine away, tap it very gently, and you're done. So there you have it, guys, the Beat Boy makeup look. And if you enjoyed this video as much as I loved doing it, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Also, do tag us if you recreate this look. But till then, don't forget to stay